Welcome to my channel Food Paradise by Bharti Das. Today's recipe is breakfast or brunch. So, follow my recipe steps. The required ingredients: potato, onion, 1 lemon, half lemon juice, coriander, cilantro, and all dry masalas. Wheat flour, dough, divide into equal portions. Boil potato in microwave for 3 minutes and peel off. Cook all the vegetables for 2 minutes in a non-stick frying pan. Little oil, onion, all masalas, turmeric, chili and dhania powder, garam masala, salt and sugar to taste. Mix it well and add mashed potato, boiled mashed potato, even coriander leaves or cilantro leaves fresh. Mix it properly, adding mashed potato. Here ginger powder gives very good taste, so this is here lemon juice, half lemon juice added. Now our stuffing is ready. Allowed to cool for few minutes. It is divided in small portions. See the color of the stuffing. Now for raita recipes: curd, cucumber, salt, sugar and black pepper. So you can grate cucumber also, or here I have cut in small pieces cucumber. So this is cucumber raita in curd. The last I added black pepper. It gives very good taste. If you like, you can add sugar also here. So this is raita is ready. Cucumber raita is ready. Now for making this stuffed paratha, you have to roll 2 parathas initially, and in between you can stuff it. So follow the procedure. So this is the easy method, so I have shown you. There is a different method for rolling also, but this is very easy and fast. So this is for breakfast, so it doesn't take much time, and 1 or 2 parathas is sufficient. And these are for 2 persons. Only 1 potato, 1 onion and all masalas. Just see the method. So when you cook stuffing, it gives better taste. That's why we have to saute for few minutes only. So when you prepare everything, in meanwhile potato you can put in microwave and it is ready. Meanwhile you cut the vegetables. This is very easy breakfast. Now you have to roast with oil on frying pan. Just put little oil and roast on every 3 sides. 3 times you have to roast minimum. Apply oil or ghee or butter, whatever, whichever oil you are using, you can use here. Olive oil is best, butter is best. So first time, second time you put oil, and third time you don't have to put oil. So flame here is medium to medium high. You see the color, brownish color. Little pressure you can give, little. Don't give much pressure while roasting. You can see the stuffing is also. Now this paratha is ready. So it takes very little time. Second paratha, see. Second time apply oil, third time you apply oil. Only 2 times you have to apply oil now. It is fluffy paratha, stuffed paratha, onion potato paratha. So it can be taken with raita Now this is a simple Indian taco I have made. So in here you have to make only simple roti and then give stuffing. Both side different stuffing is there. Apply cheese and then cover. Half side different stuffing, other half side different stuffing. In both side you have to roast. Apply ghee or butter. This is a Indian taco. You see the taco. So here you have to only prepare one simple roti, no stuffing. So this is also ready. So breakfast is ready. Either you can prepare parathas or Indian taco. You can take with raita. If you like my recipes, please like, share and subscribe my channel Food Paradise by Bharti Vyas. Please share also to benefit more people. Thank you for watching my channel Food Paradise by Bharti Vyas.